chicken Caesar wrap. A little olive oil, you go with the chicken liquor bam bam. Season your chicken good. Into the hot skillet, we're gonna add that chicken. Some butter to add them shrimp. Hey, that's what you call surf and turf. Good and well done. Now we're just gonna dice it up. Toss that in the bowl. Got some cheese and garlic croutons. Then we got this Panera Caesar dressing. Just gonna go kind of heavy. There you go. So that's that chicken shrimp Caesar right there. Light and healthy.